Hello everyone, welcome to the Showcase channel. I'm going to be showing you today live the best way or my way to try and catch Articuno, the legendary bird, on FireRed Pokemon on Game Boy Advance, or for Game Boy Advance. Obviously, the location of Articuno is in the Seaform Islands, or the Seaform Cavern. You want to have a Pokemon with Surf, so you can surf over to his location. I just have Blastoise here. You want to be sure and have all the boulders in place. And here he is on his little own island. After you get past all the wild Pokemon, you're able to go up, and just battle him. You just want to have at least 30 to 40 Pokeballs, and then you should be able to capture him within that time frame. It's not a guarantee. I've heard of stories of some people capturing Articuno with less than 20 Pokeballs, so it just depends. You just have to have a lot of time frame. Be sure and weaken him first before you try this, and obviously it helps your chances if you have a Pokemon that can paralyze him first, or any type of move that you can do to him besides like poison that's going to continually hurt him to drain his energy, because you don't want to drain it fully. You just want to get it down low enough where you can start doing the Pokeballs. You just gotta be cautious too of Articuno's Ice Beam, because a lot of the times it will knock your Pokemon out in one hit, because of his damage and such is really high. The Ice Beam is the only move you have to watch out for, really. All of his other ones don't hurt you. You want to try to weaken him as much as you can, get him down to like the bare minimum if you can. See, once he uses Ice Beam, he knocks your Pokemon out. Just depends. I mean, obviously it depends on which ones you have, but for the most part, he knocks you out pretty good. So, for the most part, so. Try to see if I can switch here and get him paralyzed real quick. He's gonna knock me out here. Not gonna be able to paralyze him. I got him really weak, which is a good thing, but I was gonna try to see if I could paralyze him to increase my chances. Of trying to capture him, so that would help out a lot. Well, luckily though, I do have him really weak, and I still have a lot of Pokemon left, so I'm gonna try and see if we can capture him. You just have to start throwing a lot of different Pokeballs. Obviously, you want to do Ultra Balls or Great Balls. Regular Pokeballs don't really work. You just have to keep trying and just have a lot of patience. Try to get all these Great Balls knocked out. Try to send all these Great Balls out, and then after that I will try to work on the Ultra Balls after that. Well, I'm trying to see if I can paralyze him, but it's not seem to be working. So I'm just gonna keep trying the Pokeballs. because while I've got him this week, it's very hard to get him this week and still have Pokemon left. So I'll start trying to use all the Ultra Balls now. I'm gonna knock out my Arcanine here. I'm gonna have to see if I can switch Pokemon and see if I can capture him. I'm gonna try to switch to my Farfetch'd here, or Chiding. I'll start using my Ultra Balls here now and see if I can try to capture him. I'm using leftovers to it gets my my HP to go back up automatically. After each move, it keeps going up. After each time the opponent tries to do a move, or afterwards that he does a move. Leftovers can be found only with the item finder, I believe, throughout the game. I think you can only find it by the Snorlax, and there's only 2 Snorlax in the game. So my preference is, what I've come to do is, right before you battle the Snorlax, you need to save it. In case you lose, or in case you kill him accidentally, you can go back, obviously, and turn the game off, turn it back on, and then start over. So we've used a good amount of Pokeballs here. At this point, you know, I think we're getting up to like about 20 or so. We've still got plenty of Pokeballs. We should be able to catch him we should have plenty of Pokeballs to try and catch him. We've got well over 20, almost 30 Pokeballs. This should get the job done. Gonna see here how many it actually takes. Takes lots of time getting to witness it. I think it is a little bit easier though if you were to try and paralyze him. But I don't know if I want to take the chance of trying to waste a move and try to revive and then try to do another move again. Just keep throwing Pokeballs, keep throwing Ultra Balls and Great Balls, whatever you got, and try to see if you can get it done and capture him. And there it is. Articuno was caught. Official. One of the legendary bird Pokemon, with its long tail trailing behind its flying form, is magnificent. Alright, got transferred to the Bills PC. It's official. I've caught Articuno. You saw it here on the Showcase channel. Under 20 minutes to catch him. Again, you need about 30 or 40 Pokeballs to do this. I appreciate it. Thank you all for tuning in to the Showcase channel and witnessing this today. Until next time, be sure and subscribe. As my journey continues on Pokemon FireRed, all the legendaries that I come across, I'm going to try and film for you guys to just show you how long it takes firsthand to catch the legendary Pokemons. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, see you later.